Screw Substitution Calculator. The Screw Substitution Calculator provides Simpson StrongTie structural screw alternatives to specified standard NDS fasteners, or provides screw options for designs based on input load. Before using the calculator, read and agree to the End-User License Agreement. The calculator offers 4 application sections shown here. Select Withdrawal Loading. For details about specific fields, hover over question marks, or click to open the information icons. There are 2 options to begin. For a new design, enter a load entry in the field. For an existing design, choose Fastener Substitution, and a section becomes available to enter existing product materials. All other steps are the same for both options. Select the design method and code version. Enter the side member and main member materials. The color in the diagram changes to indicate the active member section. Select the side member wood species, or enter a specific gravity listed in the information table. Enter the side member actual thickness, not nominal. Repeat the process for the main member. Select the member species or specific gravity, and enter the member thickness. In the Fastener Information section, select the NDS fastener and any other fields that become available. Information about required adjustment factors and specific information for each factor is available. This demonstration uses the default level of 1. Click Fastener Substitution Options. A prompt will appear if a parameter is missing. The fastener types display on the left. Select specific types to narrow the results. Summary information for each product option is shown on the right. Selecting an option provides withdrawal calculation results in the table. The input factors are listed, and the 2 columns allow for comparison between the results for the existing NDS screw and the substitute Simpson StrongTie screw. Adjusted withdrawal values are shown as either calculated or tested. The solution lists how many SDS screws to substitute for a single lag screw. Links are available to the online product pages. The Solution section contains product details, and a spacing detail image is also included. Use the Create PDF button to generate a detailed report for submittal. Scroll up to review other fastener solutions, or click Restart to clear all entries and begin again. Click the feedback link to report any issues or provide customer feedback. Complete the required fields, add a description, attach screenshots, and submit the form. Both lateral load calculators use the exact same process. For this demonstration, select the Parallel to Grain calculator. The lateral load calculation follows the same input process as withdrawal loading. The default is set to Fastener Substitution, or enter a load to begin. Select the design method. If not specified as selected, the load and resistance factor design is assumed, and the factor section is no longer available. Instead, select wood moisture content, connection temperature, and end grain insertion. Enter the side member species or specific gravity and thickness. Repeat for the main member. Select the NDS fastener information. For fastener option, choose one fastener or provide the rows and spacing details. Click Fastener Substitution option to view the results and select an available option. In this example, the input information displays calculations are provided for both the NDS screw and the substitution screw. The penetration check is provided in the next table. However, the SST fastener capacity shows that it has not met the requirement. So why is it included as an option? In the calculated reference design value table, it shows the product minimum yield value is 153 pounds. The SDS screw shows 0 pounds, since it did not meet the minimum. However, the SDS screw has been tested for this condition. This is why the SDS screw is included in the options. End edge distance and spacing detail is provided in the illustration. The MULTI-PLY connections calculator is similar to ply join and connector selector, with the added feature of supplying detailed calculations. The calculator defaults to load entry or select fastener substitution. Select the member information from the list. Select the number of plies, and the image updates to reflect the entry. Select the member type. Enter the member depth, and choose the loading side. Enter the connection factors. Click Fastener Substitution options. A message will display if no fastener options were found, given the parameters entered. Choose a fastener option. The information follows the same format as the previous examples, along with the solution details.